shoved me face first into her claw making. Vicky, you're absolutely sure that it was the same.
Say hi, baby bird.
Saca tu porquería de ahí.
But you whispered you didn't behave yourself and now you're gonna die.
Show your new colors in your forehead. Let's see your new colors in your forehead.
Oh, baby bear, look at I can see. Look at your forehead.
Look at my new colors in my forehead. I'm such a beautiful baby bear. I'm getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, I'm just getting bigger.
Baby bear, look at.
He's gonna keep bringing up Vicky until we lock him up.
Baby bird.
Control set up a protective detail. Get the sketch out city
Come over here.
every police agency in the tri-state
Come over here,
area
baby
and
bird.
Los Angeles too. Do we know who caught her case in California?
LAPD, a detective out there says he's doing anything that he can find.
I hope he has better luck than I did. Unfortunately,
Mira.
Vicky's 98 rape here got lost when
Baby
he
bird.
moved to the new
Mira.
precinct.
So, unless the perfect DNA...
Are you blowing at him? Is that why he's moving like that?
We do have truest work yet.
Vicky said the park may have more common.
This is the same as
Oh, my hand. It's hard to hold this.
glycerin, lemon, and mineral oil.
Oh, you can hold it like this. I
I'm
forgot.
thinking to use it as a lubricant.
You could have bought that anywhere.
Not this stuff. Heavenly touch. We found it at the crime scene. Bert must have dropped it when he ran. That moisturizer is a chemical match to what was
You
in
love your daddy?
Sorry, but
Yeah,
check out where it
Daddy.
came from.
Yes, you are. You're Birdie's daddy.
Courtesy of Amsterdam.
I know he's a terrible father.
Welcome to our hotel. Where
Come over
can I
here.
direct you?
So this guy.
Stop pushing him away.
I'm not pushing him.
Well,
Mira. What's over there?
Mr. Harris.
Is he a guest?
No, he entertains clients here all the time in our lounge. There he is at the bar.
And the doctor says the best training for robotic surgery is playing video games.
Mr. Harris.
Oh, please. Only Bill.
What should I call you?
Detective. Bill, can you talk to me? Sure. Guess I shouldn't have run that red light.
Johnny, take it off. This is your favorite one.
But you look an awful lot like a suspect who wears I was kidding about the red light.
We can clear this up quickly if you don't want to come down to our office.
Sure.
Stop it.
He always bites me. Okay, let's see something.
Everybody
Trying to find
look
the
well.
dance one. Jordan, it's time to bed.
You recognize him? Let me see this one. I can't believe you found him. Thank you.
Be clear.
Pretty
Where
bird.
do you recognize number 3?
Pretty bird.
Dile, I could say baby bird.
Dile.
Dile, baby bird. Pretty bird.
You serious? Our victim there you go. Identified you. Impossible. You're cute. See me someplace.
Cute bird.
Each of the 4 times that you raped her since 1995.
He let me say pretty